it's Sandy from the Easy Diz coming to you from Disney's Polynesian. They've got a quiet pool, a great kids splash area, and a regular zero entry pool. Let's check out the kids zone. If you've been watching our kids videos, you'll know that a lot of them have the big dunk tanks that scare off some of the kids. This one does not, but has this great little slide. Check it out. This is really one of their more expansive kids areas, pretty large, so it allows for a lot of children at the same time on those nice hot Orlando days. Over at the adult pool, there's a slide and a waterfall. We love the zero entry, and at night, even a great view over to the castle there, and some fireworks. If you'd like to learn more about the pools and recreation at any resort, give us a call, 877-EASY-EASY. That's 877-393-4739.